How to fill versus opacity in Photopia.com. That's what we're going to do in today's video. But first, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have. Also, make sure to watch our previous videos and tutorials. We have playlists for each app, and let's get started. So in the beginning, when using and customizing opacity and fill range, you're gonna think that they're both the same. That's because you see the same effect. What you don't know is that each of them has a different purpose. So let's try and create any shape. Let's say an ellipse like this. And let's change the opacity to 50% or 52. This is how it looks like. Let's get back to 100% and let's change the fill to the same 52%. So as you can see, changing in the range of any of them is changing in the transparency. But where's the difference? We're gonna see it now when applying a layer style. Let's apply a stroke and increase its size to like 74 or 64 pixels. Choose the color to be like this, for example, or like this. Click on OK, and then click OK again. Here the stroke. Now we have layer and layer styling. What happens now is when we change the opacity, the transparency is changed for all of the layer, including the effects and the layer styling, which is the stroke. But when we change the fill, only the layer itself without the styling is affected. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have. And have a nice day.